Doing well. Today I'm trying to show you how to do a screenshot here. Okay, first of all, why do you need a screenshot? For example, I have some data here. These are about the building, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3. If it is 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, that's the prices. So I want to decide which unit should I buy, unit 1, unit 2. So it's good for me to know whereabout they are in the building. So this is a cross section of the building. This is the unit 1, unit 2, unit 3. So it's easier for me to decide instead of toggling to another page and coming back to this. So what I did to bring this screenshot here is that I went to insert. Imagine you're at home. You go to insert here and you see here it says illustration. You click on illustration, then it says a screenshot. Here you need to be careful because if you open this, you can see there are multiple windows because I have opened multiple windows. And if I just, this is the floor plan of this building. If I just click on this, okay, you can see that section which was showing on that page has only come here. So it's not the whole PDF file. It's just this section is a cross-sectional. This is not what I want. So I just make it a bit small, click and delete. Okay, but what I want is that this page only. Okay, you can see this. This is a cross-sectional. So how do I bring it here? First of all, I need to close all the windows and open just this Excel and the other file that I want to bring the picture from. So I'm going to close them. I close this Microsoft and I will see which one or other are open. So I don't need this as well. I close this. What else is open? I don't need this. I don't need this. Okay, now this is the file that actually I need. Okay, I go to that file. I come to here. This is the picture I want to do the screenshot. Okay, now I go back to my Excel file here. Okay, now I go to insert, illustration. If I make this windows a bit bigger on the right, you can see here is different. It doesn't say illustration, and actually the part that for a screenshot is just here. But if I make this a bit smaller, then you can see here it says illustration. Anyway, you can have both of them. So here now I go to screenshot. Okay, open here. Here it says a screen clipping. And when I click this one, because I have only one window open, it goes straight to this window. Now I can clip this part, just like that. Okay, I let it go and it comes here. So you can actually make it bigger, make it smaller, rotate it, and just move it somewhere else. And the other thing that I have done is not a part of this lesson that I'm trying to say. Let me delete this first. Is that I have done a hyperlink to the floor plan of each of these units. So here, if you can see, if I click this, is warning about the viruses because it's an external file. So it says okay. So the file is already opened here in this back. So if I close this, let me do it again. I click OK, and you can see it opens. So I have done a hyperlink so I can see all the floor plan. This is the file that I usually work with. And the thing is, how do I do the hyperlink? Is not a part of this, but I just quickly tell you how did I do that. I just click on any of these, then for example I write floor plan. Okay, and because I want to see this, is a bit small here, so I choose more cells and I merge them, merge and center here. Then I center them, I make it a bit bigger. Okay, at least I can see this. So now that I've chosen this, I can right click and then go to hyperlink. Here, you have different choices. You can bring a file from email address, you can use from this document, or you can go from the file on your computer or any web page. You can choose any of them. I brought a file from here, but imagine you want to bring it from a web page. So this is another way to do that. Now I just go to my account, floor plan, condo, seasons. Okay, imagine this is the link. So I just copy this, I go down, I paste it here, and then I say, okay, now this is hyperlink. So if I close that windows, let me close this. Okay, so if I click it here, it will open that window. It's opening now. I can see this is shaking. Yeah, here it is. It goes straight to where I wanted. Okay, I close it again, close this as well. And the other thing about hyperlink is that if you want to make any changes here, if you click on this, it will go straight to that web page. So if you want to make any change here in the writing, you better click another cell next to it, and then with the cursor up and down, right and left, you can come to this. In this way, when you click on it, it doesn't go to the page and you can make some changes. For example, I say floor P dot, and if I click on this, it goes to the page. So again, I just click on one of the. Okay, now I go to left, and now I want to make it bigger and bold and even highlight it like that. Okay, that was for today. Thank you for listening.